Hello students, today we'll be learning about nouns and gender. Now what do you mean by gender? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female noun. Now gender means ling. In Hindi you have already learned about ling. So gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Now there are four types of gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now what do you mean by masculine gender? A noun that refers to a male is said to be masculine gender. A noun that refers to a male is said to be masculine gender. For example, boy, uncle, father, brother, these all are masculine gender. Next is feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female is said to be feminine gender. A noun that refers to a female is said to be feminine gender. For example, girl, auntie, mother, sister, these all are feminine gender. Third one, common gender. A noun that can refer to both a male and a female is said to be of common gender. Now students see teacher. Teacher can be male as well as female. You have computer, sir, and for other subject you have teacher, that is female teacher, girl. So a teacher word comes to common gender, which can be used as a male and for female also. Same way baby, cousin, friend. A friend can be male as well as female. Next is neuter gender. A noun that can refer to a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. Means it is non-living thing. The words which are used for non-living things. For example, toy, chair, mountain, book. So it is referred as neuter gender. I hope you have understood the nouns and gender.